Yan.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another episode here, Spads YouTube. Today we are changing something on the Yamaha MT-15, specifically the gas tank cover. Now we all know what the issue is with the gas tank cover. Sometimes the keyhole or the lock mechanism of the gas tank cover, it gets stuck. And we all have that feeling, that moment when you're lining up the gas station and someone is lining up behind you and then you're struggling to open up the gas tank. We will solve that problem once and for all today. Now before we proceed, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and then follow my social media accounts. Hit the like and then share so that you can help me and my channel grow. Okay? So let's go. Of course, syempre, it's been a known issue with the Yamaha MT-15 about the stuck gas tank cover. Now, the problem is, what I found out is that the seal of the gas tank cover doesn't actually seal from elements going inside the cover itself. So, whenever it's gonna rain, or you're riding in the rain, or you left your bike outside and it rained, the actual water goes into the locking mechanism inside. That's why it gets stuck. So today I have found a solution on how to permanently fix that. The actual fix for that is this. We will need to change the gas tank cover into an aftermarket one. This one doesn't have a key to lock it, so buyer beware. There is a great chance that someone will mess up with your tank cover. So keep that in mind if you're gonna switch to this one. Now, there are other gas tank covers that have keys in it. I didn't purchase it. This is the one that I'm gonna use. Hopefully, walang mangyari sa bikes. Pretty much basic design. So, ayan yung itsura niya. This is actually metal. It doesn't have a locking mechanism. All you have to do when you open this is you push and then twist. Papakita ko sa inyo kaya mamaya yan. We're gonna install it right now on the bike. It's pretty much easy. Just follow my lead and you can do it inside your garage or you're at home. You don't need a mechanic for this. Okay, so ayan. What comes in the box is actually this one, the cap itself or the cover. It also comes with a rubber grommet which goes inside that prevents, leaking of the gas. Actually, to tell you the truth, this is much more secure of preventing your gas from leaking out compared to the stock one. So I've experienced dropping the bike for this one. It leaks out, and I can see from the design, this one much more secure. Also comes with 3 Allen screws right here and an Allen thingy. So pretty much out of the box, you don't need special tools. All the tools that you have is already inside the box. First thing that we need to do is we need to open your gas tank, because there is 1 screw in there that's inside the gas tank that we need to unscrew first. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so need to open the gas tank. Medyo okay na siya ngayon kasi nilug ko na kanina. So we're gonna open that. So this is the screw that we need to take out right here. And then after nyan, we're gonna take out everything. This one on the outside. This is quite hard kasi nag-carbonize or nag-stuck na siya. Pero ngayon, it's just easy. Just twist it. Once it comes loose, pwede mo na siyang ikutin. Ayan. So it comes loose. 1 screw. Ayan. Then after that, syempre, ito na yung sa labas na. So same tool pa rin yung gagamitin natin. Same tool we're gonna use. Just twist. Now there is something from the inside that you need to watch out for when you install the aftermarket one. So let me show you that one as well. Okay, so just quick note, these 3 screws right here, This is long compared to the ones that on the side. Right here. This one right here, it doesn't actually connect to the body itself. Kaya that screw right there earlier is a short one. So keep that in mind. Okay? At first, this may get stuck because long period of not taking this off and it's not lubricated. So it may be hard to pull. So yung gagawin nyo lang is yung i-pull. Wiggle nyo lang ng konti. Ayan, medyo actually stuck sa ngayon. Yung ginamit ko is ginamitan ko siya ng ganito. Then, ayan. Nakikita nyo, medyo umaangat na siya. Then, on the other side, we're gonna pull this. Ayan. Once na kumagat na siya, pwede nyo isang, ayan. So, it's already off. There's no electronics here or sensor whatsoever. Just take this off. There is a rubber grommet on the sides. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. You don't need to take this off. Okay, pwede nyong iwan dyan. The gas tank cover is sealed. Water will not go on the other parts of the bike. And make sure that the rubber grommet or the rubber seal is already inside, connected to this one before you put this. It should be like that. All this two goes inside. And this holes right here. Ayan. And this one goes in here. Okay? So, ganyan siya. Now, the only thing that you need to consider is this one right here. Kasi, if you take a look, this hole right here is gonna go there. Now, the problem is, tingnan nyo. Ayan. There's no gap dito. So, there's no gap there. So, it will bump into this rubber right here. But that's okay. We have a remedy for that. All you have to do, you have to push this rubber. Make sure na nakalapat siya. Okay? And then, you need to push. Then, hold it like that. Ayan, ganyan siya. Although, medyo may gap siya, pero mapupush yan later kapag nag-screw na tayo dito, if we're gonna screw it. First screw is gonna go inside here. Okay. Then we're gonna screw it. That's it. We don't need to tighten this. We're gonna put 2 more screws in here so that it's balanced going down. Lagyan natin yung screws dyan. Now, screw it in. And the other one. Go to the next one. Now, the only problem is dito, the rubber thing actually pulls in, but that's okay. We can remedy that. Pupush mo siya. Ganyan. Okay. So, all you have to do is just push and then twist. And pwede mo siya makuha. Ayan. So, sealed na dito. Ayan. Mafi-fill natin yung rubber. So, it has this. All you have to do is when you're gonna lock it, just align it through here. Ayan. Note that this is actually aluminum, so this is much more lighter compared to the stock one. This is quite heavy. A lot of mechanism. Okay. Now, if I've helped you with this issue, please consider to subscribe to the channel, then follow our social media accounts. Hit the bell button so that you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. Ride safe, travel more. I will see you on the next episode. Bye.